Siddharth Nupur, and I will discuss the initial part of today's discussion. That will be the introduction phase of Telenor and why Telenor entered into the banking sector from a cellular network. So Telenor was founded in 1855 as the Royal Electric Telegraph, that was a government institution of Norway, and it introduced its first mobile system in 1966. And until 1990, it emerged itself as Norwegian Telecom, and it started its expansion after 1990 in Europe and Asia. And in 1995, Telenor was named for the Norwegian Telecom. The name of Norwegian Telecom was changed to Telenor, and in 2005 it entered in Pakistan. Initially, when it entered in Pakistan, the initial competitors for Telenor were Bharat Telecom, Mobilink, and Ufone. And why Telenor was successful, having very much giant competitors in the market that were Bharat, Mobilink, and Ufone. The success factor, or the success reason was that Telenor, unlike its rival, Telenor targeted the rural areas, especially the northern areas of Pakistan. And after 2008, the cellular network users increased more than 90%, and the average revenue per user for Telenor decreased from $9 to $3.2. As you all know that as the demand decreased, the prices also decreased. So the average revenue per user of Telenor decreased from $9 to $3.2, and that's the reason that Telenor think about a new industry for itself. And after evaluating strength and the market, Telenor finds three sectors that were broadband, media convergence, and financial services. Due to the limited success stories in Pakistan,